This week got away from me, starting under a car and ending up here. Flames, twin 700 horsepower McLarens, and a drive I certainly wasn't ready for. Watch how crazy these few days get. Oh, and we had a little surprise at the end. I've had this thing for 5 years now. Now, that doesn't mean I've given up hope. We are very, very keen to get this thing finished. So, let's get into it. I've got a gearbox to put in. However, I have no idea if it's going to fit with this clutch on the back of this engine. So to say the least, we were in for an interesting mission. And I thought I'd be slick with this transition.
Many minutes later.
It was proving to be a bit of a struggle until I realized that this peeled off. Well, that was easy. With my clutch lines ready to go, it was. I think we're gonna have to take this drive carpet out, eh? Right, so the gearbox didn't fit. We then had to improvise just a little bit. Positive camber. Right. So my gearbox is in. Here's the aftermath. That was fun. Diesel? Well, I thought this was going to be a boring gearbox install video too, until I get invited out to film two of NZ's wildest McLarens. This is where things start getting wild. The vlog's taken a bit of a turn, ladies and gentlemen. And I have F4 fatty medium.
This is my eye level, dude. It's like at the bro's mouth.
What drink are we getting? Oh, yeah. Oh, there's no crisp apple.
Crisp apple's the best, eh?
Oh, no, there is.
Oh, grab one.
Hold on. I'll quickly grab it out. Hold on.
Hold up there right at the back, G.
Hold on the other side. I think I got all that on the clip. Put in the line back. Sure. Yeah. We got given some free games by one of the locals. Shout out Greenstone, bro. Shout out Greenstone. How's it going, everyone? Yeah, me too, actually. Having a great day.
So bloody in 70 sugar.
G'day, mate. Oh, off. I think you know what it's time for? How's it going, Bazza? Okay, our first contender's here. I think he's a bit stuck. He's at the top. We weren't really expecting our Monday night to turn out like this. However, seeing this duo in person, we knew it was about to get wild.
So bloody in 70 sugar.
12 seconds later.
Shut up.
Big lap. Just have it front facing. True. After one of the wildest tunnel sessions I've ever been in, we finished up the night in Caleb's 700 horsepower McLaren. Thing was terrifying.
So bloody in 70 sugar.
Coming up.
Bro. Feeling quite awake.
That concludes Monday. Fuck!
Nearly 24-hour shift for you, bro.
Yeah, that was a good night, yeah, bro.
We are like really close to 24 hours.
After all that, I thought we might catch a break for a couple days. Then an opportunity came up I couldn't say no to. The only problem, it was a 2-hour drive just to find out if it was worth
It's
it.
the next day and we are potentially getting a surprise. I'm on like 4 hours of sleep, so this is gonna do me good. But the weather, what?
Yes, it was a Hilux. Yes, I ended up buying it, and yes, I'm gonna fix it up and get it legal. Which started off pretty interesting.
Position, 1 kg, very tidy on the body. I cannot see that, but yeah. Little fix up, should do the trick.
1 kz, 4-wheel drive. Not bad, good size. Cool. Made it. First step is going to be getting this body lift off. Update, it's dark. The hour job has turned into 2 hours, but we're nearly there. Tidy.